Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to download Studocu documents for free in just a few simple steps. There are two methods to achieve this. Let's start with the first one. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel and your like is very important for us. First, open Google and search for studocu.com. Click on the first link and sign in using your Google account. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard like this. Here, you'll notice it's a basic account. To upgrade to premium for free, click on the upload button. Next, you'll find an option to share 5 documents, such as assignments, practice materials, lecture notes, or summaries. By uploading these 5 documents, you'll receive 10 weeks of premium access, giving you unlimited downloads and views. Simply click on Browse My Files, select 5 documents from your PC, and upload them. After submitting, fill out the required details and proceed to the next step. Once approved, you'll get 14 days of free premium access for each document, meaning 5 approved documents equal 10 weeks of premium. You'll also be helping thousands of students improve their studies. If you need even more premium access, upload additional documents to extend the duration. Once done, return to the home page, browse available documents, and click the download button to access the content. The second method is a simple 3-day free trial. Just fill out the necessary details, and you'll get temporary access to premium features. So, those are the two legal ways to download Studocu documents for free in just a few steps. Try them out and enjoy the benefits of premium access.